Hi kids, we're back with contraction practice. Remember that a contraction is a shortened form of two words, often a pronoun and a verb, like I plus am equals I'm. And they use this apostrophe right here to pop out that A. Or a verb and the word not, like is, which is the verb, plus not becomes isn't, where they squish is and not together, pop out that O and replace it with an apostrophe, where an apostrophe takes the place of the missing letters. We left off on this slide here where it says write a contraction of these words. So first of all, we have the word you and the word are. That's your. So what I'm going to do is I am going to go to the line and I'm going to write the word you are in contraction form. So it's you apostrophe R-E. I popped out the A, right? It took that out, squished them together and replaced it with the apostrophe. The next one is that is. So that is, when I make it in contraction form, is that's. I've squished that is together, popped out the I, and replaced it with that apostrophe. For the next one, was not. Was not becomes wasn't. And so I've squeezed out the O right here that was in the O for not and replaced it with an apostrophe. Squish those two words together. The next one is you have. You have, when you make it in the contraction form, is you've. You've, that's kind of a weird word, isn't it? So you squish you have together, you pop out the H and the A, pop out two letters there, replace it with an apostrophe. All right, and then the next one says would not. So would not in contraction form is wouldn't. And so wouldn't is W-O-U-L-D. There's the word would, and then you squish the word not in there, pop out the O and replace it with an apostrophe. So if you're on a keyboard trying to type these kids, I think you need to realize that the apostrophe is next to the enter key. Okay, it's the one that has, it's directly next to the enter key. Sometimes it'll say return key. So go ahead and give that a try.